You guys, it's about to be 3 a.m. as I will be recording this video, and I had to record this video way early in the evening, but spirit kept me awake entire night, and I have been observing this pattern from spirit wherein just they will keep me awake. Your spirit guides, I don't know what about it, but I think number one thing, you gotta live in warm yellow lights. You gotta live in warm yellow lights. Living too much in tube lights or blue lights is not good. Okay. So number one message, and if second message is that if you watched my yesterday's video, I was like, oh my god, I don't have the food and all of those things. I got my dates. In yesterday's video, I was talking about, oh, I need dates and all of that. And today I got them, got me the groceries. I got my oats, I got my coconut oil, I got my, what do we say, this cacao, and I got my peanut, because every single morning I make my own peanut butter and eat it, and I got my jaggery, and I'm so happy. I love raw virgin cold processed coconut oil, and I wanted good quality oats and I could get it, and I'm so grateful and thankful for Mother Earth, because when I was going for a walk, I was praying, Mother Earth, please send me the food. And I also got my other vegetables and all. Anyway, I should be what do we say, there's a word for it, endorse or brand, or like these brands needs to pay me. They should sponsor me, and they should send me free gifts and all consistently, so that just it will be so exciting when I keep getting endorsements and all. That's I wanna be so wealthy, so wealthy that I have the power to do all the good that I want to do in this world. So many children that I see, and I want to get them things, I want to get them, and there is so much wisdom that I know I have that can really help them, giving them color so that their mind is, because I know, when a child is growing up in a very abusive home wherein the mother is very, or there are financial problems and they are getting beaten up and all, in those moments you can't change, you can't separate the child from a parent, but what you can do is give them tools, giving them color so that they can keep painting, and through that they start to process their emotions. They know that when the times are hard, and when they are feeling very angry, sad, they will go towards the colors instead of fighting with another child. So and I want to create that, or other happier things, for all the children around that I see. And even just I can do so much good with the money, with the wealth, with the power, and I want to see, God turning me in that woman, with money, with power, with wealth, with all kind of power that is needed to make big magical things happen in this world. you know yeah. And number one message that I was receiving for you today was that you gotta, when God gives you a wisdom, if you are going through something in your life and you receive inspiration and guidance from God, and you are navigating your personal situation with that guidance, okay, then you got to share that wisdom with other people, okay, because the unique wisdom you are receiving from God, or whatever wisdom, your attitude, but
bring magic in your life with my magic paintings. This painting says, dearest God, dearest Mother, thank you for guiding me. Thank you for leading my way. when you live around this painting, the way you start to move in this world very bravely, confidently, courageously, you would find yourself becoming most braver, bolder, confident version of yourself, and it's just so much divine guidance and peaceful energies into your life. Super powerful. Super, super. You can't miss the magic. You can't. I'm telling you, you cannot. Okay. Also, you can hire me and I will channel a customized magic painting uniquely for you. A painting that will bring lot of success, high vibrations, good energies, power, love, and like sacred, peaceful, pure energies into your life. It's so powerful, and
even if it is the same wisdom that other people are receiving, but if you say it in the energy you say it, it will have an impact. Okay, so do it. If you are called to share your thing, do it. Okay, do it. You better share that wisdom with other people. Okay, and or anything God you are feeling inspired to share, even if it is a food that you are cooking. You know, if you are being inspired to share it with the world, share your cookies, share your pastries and all, whatever you are cooking, share it with the world and say this prayer that God, I want to create something in this world which brings healing in this world, which brings health in this world, which brings safety in this world, deeper levels of connection into this world. Say this prayer so that what you create, you know, your creative creation, what you give birth to, is for the highest good of all. Okay? And so many times, you know, we see like familial patterns wherein you will see whatever was happening in the family, you will see that even if you go into a different state or a country, the same kind of patterns will be there. One of the patterns that, you know, I see in my family is that women and men are always separated. There were never true connection with them. Okay, or there was never like genuine, like if there is a death that has happened in the family, so the men will go cry in different corner, women will go cry in different corner. It's never like they are what do we say, processing it together. It's always separation. But I want to see healthy masculine and feminine, healthy connection happening between men and women, healthy support and exchange happening between men and women. So, you know, it's like I see that happening. I see that or if my mind will think that way, that that is what is happening in my environment. But anyway, it's like we don't need to exist in competition, unhealthy competition. We don't need to exist in judgment. We need to be existing in the energy of curiosity, compassion and joyful collaboration. And certain moments we don't know what to do, we need to invite that energy, love energy, the spirit of love, the spirit of encouragement, the spirit of play, the spirit of dance, or like calling, if you like the word God. You know, if you don't like the word God, use any other word. Use Jesus, use Allah, use Mother Earth, use that energy. You gotta invite that in and be like, I intend to treat this situation as you would. I intend to treat this human being as you would. Because if you are not, then you will be creating the same kind of situations that were being created in your lineage. But you gotta be, we break the pattern. We break the pattern when we invite the guidance from the higher power, when we invite the guidance from the God. So many times we are very quick to judge, we are very quick to, and even like, you can be that person who can see the judgment occurring within you. You can see that, okay, you are being triggered, or you can see like you are feeling disgusted. Sometimes we can be like, "Ah, I'm so disgusted by this human," or like, certain way. You can observe all of this occurring within you, at the same time choosing the action of love. Choosing the action of love. You can, to become so skilled, like, that's the job, your job as a human, that you can notice your triggers. You can, when you are like in a rush, and like, I was like today in a grocery store. I was like, there was this woman, when I was getting my vegetable, and she was getting it slowly, and she was taking so much time. And I observed that I was just getting so annoyed and irritated by that. And I observed that annoyance and irritation, instead of acting on it, instead of hating her for anything. I was, it's very tricky also, It's like, if you are standing in front of a child and child is throwing tantrum, and you are about to lose your calm completely, but you instead choose to just stay and see that child throw a tantrum, and also observe yourself going through your trigger, and you're just there breathing. Life is very entertaining when you become that person who can feel the trigger and not act on it. Breathe through that trigger and act in a manner which is in the highest good, in a manner which is calming. And even if you are angry, you have full, even like, if you must express that anger, you must express what does not work with you, what hurted you, what upsetted you, or what you are not okay with, what you are not, like, you're not available for, or not allowed, you don't allow that in your life. You must be able to express that, but doing that in an assertive manner and clear manner, but at the same time not being rude. You gotta learn. That's a skill, and all of it comes when you are like, God, I want to speak in this world as you want me to speak. I want to walk in this world, God, as you want me to walk. I want to do the work in this world that you want me to do, God. I want to wear the clothes that you want me to wear. I want to eat the food, God, that you want me to eat. And in my case, I call Mother Earth. I'm like, Mother Earth, you tell me the clothes that I want to be wearing. I want to wear those clothes. I want to walk in this world as you want me to walk, Mother Earth. I want to make the money that you want me to make, Mother Earth. I want to make the money in a way, in amounts that you want me to make. I want to, be in the energy of love that you want me to be existing in. So much, with your prayers you create magic, because with your prayers you make that shift happen inside of you, right? And then the shift within you creates the shift in your home, in your environment, people around you. You literally transform your environment and this world by the prayers that you say, by the consistent prayer you say. It's not just one time, it's continuously. God, I want to treat this human being as you would treat them. I want to speak to them as you would speak to them. I want to look at them as you would look at them. And because we are very quick to judge other people, and it's very natural. It occurs. But you're like, God, yeah. and praying for other human beings also. You know, looking beyond. So many times someone can be existing in limited mindset, but your prayer that God, you make them healthier, you show them the way. It's very powerful. It's very powerful. Okay, let me see if there are another messages that are coming. Oh yes, another message that was coming was that, you know, it's a brave choice. It's very brave when you choose joy. When you see somebody, you know, choosing their joy, choosing their art, choosing their creativity, choosing to sing, choosing to dance, they are being brave. Okay, I remember when my mom was passing away, when I got the news that she got a cancer, or even when she passed away, next day I was dressed as in the colors that made me happy, and it was an act of courage on my behalf to choose to wear the color that I really feel happy in. I chose happiness, I chose joy. And in the last few days, when the fear of, like, okay, what if what if something happens and I don't have home to live in, or what if I don't have food, because I had like just few bucks left and I didn't know what to tell my landlady, you know. Anyway, I also, before I complete this message, you know what, in yesterday's video I was saying like, oh, I don't know how I will eat. And I was like, God, I really want dates, and God bless me with dates today. And so now today in this video I want to say, God, pay my rent, pay my electricity bills, pay my phone bill, and send me the money to feel very safe, well taken care of, and very well provided for, so that I can, you know, I can get my dog vaccine. She needs to be vaccinated, you know, her regular vaccine, and she didn't got. And I can also take care of myself really well. God, send me that money that, like, you know, really helps me in living a better quality life, a money that makes me live in my power, makes me feel safe, secure. Just, yeah, you know, send me that money, God. Send me, please. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, I wanna do all of these things, that go to yoga classes, aerial yoga classes, go to dance classes, you know, art, bring more art, create an environment wherein people make art, or just like make it accessible, and help people shape how God shaped my mind. I want to help other people show the possibility and the magic and the gift that exists within them, just like God, make it happen, you know. Anyway, coming back to the message, um yeah, choosing, be brave. I want you to be brave and choose to play. I want you to be brave and choose to move like God's got you. Like today, you know, in the afternoon I was worried, like, oh my God, how my food is gonna come. And then I said, like, I refuse to believe in scarcity, I refuse to believe in lack, I refuse to exist in under eating, I refuse to exist in malnutrition, I refuse to exist in poverty, I refuse to exist in stress, I refuse to exist in overthinking. And as I said this word, I felt inspired to go take shower, get ready, and then I received the money, you know, from my father actually. That too, like, without any conversation, which is rare, because usually when I would you know, ask money from him, it would be like a long explanation and argument. But thankfully, you know, so yeah, which is good. And I want to receive money with ease, like in the easiest and most effortless and most just I want like the experience of money to be just like constantly how air coming, oxygen, that like that money being poured into my bank account, just like just consistently coming every day, like that. So good, it feels so good. Feels so good. It's like this experience like this is like wow. Like I think I will become so feminine and so flowy and dancing, you know I will be a treat to be watched. Like in that energy, everybody will get happy to see me in that energy. Anyway, coming back to the message, choose that joy, choose that bravery. And then like when I said those words, know that I refuse to exist in poverty, I refuse to exist in lack, I refuse to exist in overthinking, I refuse to exist in poor eating habits, I refuse to exist in all of these things. So get my ebook, this ebook, Energetic Activation for Brand New Life. It has powerful prayers, powerful verses and affirmations, because as you read them, it invites it in, like you will become magical. Because after I said that word, I got the energy to shower, to get ready, and I had just magical experience. I went on a walk and there was just like this tree with, like, oh my god, endless butterflies. When I was looking at it, it was like my mother spirit was there, and I also made a video on about it. But on this, there was like thousands of butterflies. I used to look at it in like some videos, but now I actually get to experience it, so the when you read the verses and prayers and affirmations in my ebook, so powerful, there is something magical that happens, so definitely check that ebook out. Get it right now before you finish the rest of the video. So yeah, I like the continuation of the message. It was really powerful. Like I refuse to exist in lack. I refuse to exist in fear. And even though the fear was loud, I was like, I am gonna move. Like, because if you really believe God's got you, how will you move? How will you move? If you knew that God's got you, how will you be moving? What will you be doing? How would you be walking, talking, and showing up? Would you sit inside your bed and cry and rot and think like it is not possible for you? Or would you go shower, dress up, and take a walk in nature and ask the, greater power to bring it to you? It's epic. What I do, my videos are powerful, my ebook is super powerful. I have a journaling course that you must get into right now, because with the wisdom that I'm sharing inside, I have shared inside that course, is super powerful. It will like unlock the magic inside of you. And I also have my painting, magic painting. Oh my, and you can also hire me to make channel painting for you, because everything I do is super powerful and magical. Okay, I have my one-on-one intuitive guidance or psychic guidance session for the guidance, psychic guidance, spiritual guidance, and my 3 months of mentorship. One-on-one, you and I, let's do it. Let's unlock the magic within you. Let's unlock your super powerful confidence. Let me be your guide, your cheerleader, your personal safe space, your personal safe space, wherein a space wherein you can break down and build yourself up. Yeah, link of everything is in my bio. Yeah, okay, bye, see you. I am not receiving any other messages from spirit right now, but see you in another video. Let me show you the bow. There's a bow.